Hello, welcome to my final presentation for Learner-Centered Design term project. My web app is a LearnGit. LearnGit is a web app that teaches Git commands using command line interface. It teaches basic Git terminology, concepts, and commands using CLI. It is designed to be consumed within 15 minutes. The audience for the app would be job seekers, students, Git users who already know Git but want to learn CLI as well, and personal interest. The main objectives are to teach terms and concepts, commands for basic operations such as creating a new repo, um, operations on that new repo, and also check the status of the repo. In addition, configuring your local settings would be taught as well. The Bloom's version of the learning objectives are here, and the knowledge dimension of the Bloom's version is here. For design and implementation, I have used Angular front-end framework and hosted using Firebase. All the design principles are widely used, mainly multimedia. Each lesson page includes animated GIFs of the command, and it shows a worked example of that lesson. It displays the command to be entered and the result of that command in the GIF. In addition, I have also added practice questions for the learner to try on their own and review material at the end of each lesson. The pre and post test questions, the pre and post test surveys had 10 questions and each having a 1 point. I have also included an extra question on the post test to check if the learner actually used the practice exercises. The results are the average pre-test score was 3.71 and the average post-test 9.29 with the effect size of 2.6 and a p-value of 0.00067. The system was shown to be effective in achieving the objectives. I also received positive comments from the learners. One from a newbie, it was easy to use and learn and follow along with the GIFs. And from a pro Git user, he said, I learned a new terminal command today. For future, I would add more concepts such as branching, merging, and creating a new repo, a remote repo, and also operating on that remote repository. I would also redesign some of the test questions to actually include text input answers. Thank you for watching.